Hi there, in this video I will show you how to send stickers on Instagram. So for this, let's open the app. Once the app is open, now go to chats and open the chat to whom you want to send the stickers. Click on this plus button and now click on stickers. Now here in search bar, you can search for any sticker. Like if I search for food here, so you will get different stickers related to food. Now from here, you can choose the one that you want to send. So for an example, I want to send this one here. Now the sticker is sent. Or you can create your own sticker. Go to stickers and go to cutouts. Now your gallery will open up. From here you can choose the image that you want to add. Let me choose the image first. Okay, so I choose this image here, and as you can see, as I click on the image, it will start creating sticker. And now the sticker is created. Click on save sticker and it is added. Now simply click on it and it will send. In this way you can send stickers on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.